Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing foratravel.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that helps you book your summer or your vacations easily. So many people claim that if you sign up to this, you can actually make money yourself by becoming an advisor, and a lot more. You can actually make money for with booking, and yeah, as you can see, get the best value, work with an expert, travel like an insider, and a lot more. So let's see the reviews on foratravel.com in Trustpilot. So as you can see, they're actually rated 4.6 out of 5 stars. And as you can see, a lot of people are saying good things about them. This website is user friendly, mixed experience. This review is really bad. So they actually reply to the comments here, the negative reviews here. So best host agency technology for travel has been a game changer. Best host agency I've tried so far. Exceptional service for Croatia. Great service and a lot more. So since this website is still very young or very new, I advise you to try other ones. If those ones are pretty expensive, you can go ahead and try this as a last resort, since this website is still pretty new and there are a lot of other ones that are really good. However, from these 61% or in the 4.6 5-star reviews here, so far they're really good. But since it's really new, you should make this as your second or third option for booking your travels. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.